How to repair Jandy LRZ fault check ignition.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
For 2 days.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Is there anything else the pool technician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, thank you reaching out on Just Answer with your question. I am here to assist. On the Jandy LRZ gas heater, when seeing a fault check ignition steps, you first want to check that the all gas valves are open and that there is 30% or more gas in the tank. Many times this error code is from low gas pressure. If there is plenty of gas and the heater is going through all other startup sequences, fan turning on, clicking of igniter, you may then have a broken igniter. This is easily replaced. When pulling out the old igniter, if it is chipped or has a burn spot, this confirms it is bad. When you take apart the heater, also check for any chewed wires by rodents or pinched wires that could be causing an issue. So sorry to hear about your pool heater issue and hope these steps fix it. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.